Hi everybody, my name is Rich and you're watching the Suburban DIY YouTube channel. In this video, we swap pickup trucks and remove and install a bed slide out. Before we get into the detail, let me provide a backstory. Our good friends Pete and Gigi live in northern Vermont. If you follow the channel, you've seen me travel to Vermont to help Pete convert a hay barn into an apartment and a doctor's office.
Holy shit!
Check out the Vermont playlist, link is in the description below. Pete is a contractor. He has a big truck with a bed slide out for tool access. The truck runs on unleaded, and this is what they'll use to pull their camper across the country for the winter months. Their trip to Arizona was successful, but there was some stress along the way. In the Northeast, it's relatively simple to fill the truck with gas when the camper is attached, meaning it's easy to navigate a gas station. However, they quickly learned that gas stations along their route out west were not so friendly to unleaded gas-based vehicles towing campers. For example, the unleaded gas pumps are perpendicular to the storefront, so pulling in and pulling out is tight and stressful. They found themselves using multiple mapping apps trying to identify gas stations that could better accommodate their rig. They noticed 18-wheelers and diesel pushers and other campers easily navigating the diesel pumps, which are constructed for big rigs. So the decision was made. When they arrived in Arizona, they would trade in the unleaded gas truck for the same model but with a diesel engine. Before they could swap the trucks, we had to remove the bed slide out and the cab. Once they were in possession of the new truck and also swap the tires and rims, we had to reinstall the cap and the slide out.
So this was in the bed of the truck. It looks like it went right back where it wanted to go. Here.
if you'd like to see more DIY videos, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.